Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to block emails in Gmail on a computer. Step 1. First of all, launch a web browser and go to https://mail.google.com. Mail, then click on an email from a sender that you wish to block. Step 2. At the top right of the email, click the three dots. Step 3. Now select block from the drop down menu that appears. Step 4. A warning will pop up informing you that all future emails from the sender will be marked as spam messages. Click block to confirm or click cancel if you have a change of heart. Step 5. Future emails from this sender will be sent to spam. If you decide that you would like to unblock that person in the future, you can open the email again and click on block sender. Step 6. You can also view all block senders and unblock them. If you click the settings cog, select see all settings and select filters and blocked addresses. Just click on block next to an email sender. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.